pleased to offer a growing number of air suspension repair and replacement options for the Lexus LS 460 and Lexus LS 600H XF40 chassis with rear-wheel drive. One of the signs of an air suspension leak is when the compressor fails because it is overworked. Arnott offers ready-to-install new OES quality air suspension compressors that are tested and fitted with application-specific mounting hardware. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott Air Suspension Compressor P-3188. Removal Step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal Step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal Step 3. Air compressor removal. Remove the applicable fender well. Remove the air intake assembly from the vehicle. Remove the electrical connector. Remove the air line from the dryer. Remove the air line from the compressor. Note, the exhaust may be loosened from the rubber isolators to allow more flexibility during removal. Loosen and remove the 3 bolts from the compressor. Remove the compressor from the vehicle. Removal complete. Remove the 3 rubber isolators from the bracket holes. Air suspension compressor installation. Install Step 1. Air compressor installation. Install the compressor into the vehicle. Reinstall the 3 bolts and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Reconnect the electrical connector. Reconnect the air line to the dryer. Reconnect the air line to the compressor. Reinstall the air intake assembly. Reinstall the fender well. Install Step 2, Wheel installation. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer specifications. Install Step 3, Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install Step 4. Testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks.